Welcome to Ready to Read Storytime with Miss Hannah. Hey you guys, welcome to Ready to Read Storytime with Miss Hannah. Our story is going to be A Recipe for Bedtime, written by Peter Bentley and illustrated by Sarah Massini. A Recipe for Bedtime. Baby, baby, soft and sweet, almost good enough to eat. It's night time, so come with me and hear my bedtime recipe. Take a bundle full of joy. It can be either girl or boy. Snuggle in your arms like so. Unwrap gently top to toe. Add to water, not too hot. Stir a little, then a lot. Scoop up baby, place on mat. Dab the drips off, pat, pat, pat. Add raspberries to tum and feet. Check for giggles, then repeat. Time for dressing, soft as silk. Wrap once more and then add some milk. Put in warm place, cover tightly. Add some kisses and sprinkle lightly. Leave to settle for the night. Sneak out softly, switch off the light. Check on baby, now and then. If required, add milk again. It often helps the job along if you sing a little song. Hush-a-bye fingers, hush-a-bye toes, hush-a-bye lips and hush-a-bye nose. The dream fairy's coming to bring you sweet dreams down from the moon on silvery beams. Hush-a-bye, close your eyes tight. Nighty-night, my darling, night-night. The end. Thank you guys for watching Ready to Read Storytime with Miss Hannah. If you'd like to hear more story times and read out loud, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys.